A transformative summer window has reshaped Wrexham for their first season in the English second tier since 1982. The window closed with the Red Dragons announcing 12 new signings, 9 of them for a fee in a record-breaking spree worth over £31 million. Reynolds and Rob McElhenney's side broke their transfer record 3 times. At the back, Wrexham secured hometown hero Danny Ward on a free after his Leicester contract ended, only for the Wales international to suffer a serious injury on debut at Millwall. Big investments followed in defence, with Liberté Cassau joining Connor Cody arriving from Leicester, and England 21 star Callum Doyle commanding a £7.8 million fee. Midfield was heavily reinforced, Josh Windass arriving on a free, George Thomason costing £1.2 million, Lewis O'Brien become a record signing at £5.2, only to be eclipsed by Nathan Broadhead, who joined from Ipswich Town for £10.5 million. Up front, Jay Rodriguez and Sam Smith had already been secured in January, but Parkinson added Ryan Hardy and Wales striker Kiefer Moore. Both Moore and O'Brien scored in their crucial 2-0 win over Millwall, Wrexham's first championship victory of the season, while Hardy and academy product Harry Ashfield had netted in the midweek EFL Cup comeback at Preston. The summer overhaul is already yielding results, but it's not just at a club level where Wrexham's rise is being felt, as Wales boss Craig Bellamy made headlines by selecting Wrexham players in his latest squad. The first time in 15 years the club has had representatives at a senior international level. It's a symbolic milestone, underlining how Wrexham are no longer simply championship newcomers, but a growing force whose impact stretches beyond the league. For the fans who endured decades in the lower tiers, this is a new era of ambition, one where Wrexham are no longer looking up at the elite, but pushing towards it.